Happy April Fool's Day, everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make a paper heart. Right here, I drew rainbows on it and also drew cheetah dots on it. So, it's just a decoration. You can decorate whatever you want on it. So, let's just move on to the video. First, you'll need squares of paper. Sorry, mine's wrinkled because I went a few steps farther. And you need to fold it diagonally on one side and do it on the other side too. I'm a little fast. You can pause the video if you want. And so you see these lines. First, we fold one of these angles to the middle line right here, and done. And you see the opposite one on the other side. You fold it all the way to this dot right here, like that. And then you've got this shape. I don't know what it is, but this shape. And then you flip it up using this middle line, like this. This point should touch the end of here. So that's why you have to do it at the point here. There, we got one side, and do the same on the other side. Good. There's kind of a heart shape, but there's still more. You see this back side and these ears, I call them ears, and you fold them up to this line, like this folded part. Do the same on the other ear. Good. Now flip it back. Does it look more like a heart? Okay. And then you see these sides, and there's these pointy parts. You fold them in like on the last video. Remember, we did the heart boxes? So let's go back to this topic. You fold them both in, and there you go. The paper heart triangle is done. So if you want, you can just draw it with markers, pencil crayons, or you can sketch on it with pencils. I prefer markers better. And you can just draw hearts and shapes or happy faces. I like to draw happy faces like this. And so this video is almost done, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!